100 balance, active balance BMS function demonstration. Active balance function demonstration. After the BMS is safely connected to the battery pack, the mobile app can be used to control the BMS for balancing. First, open the mobile app. On the first interface, you can select single cell parallel or series, and then select the Bluetooth number consistent with the BMS to successfully connect to the mobile app. Then click parameter settings in the lower right corner to find the control center page. On this page, you can set the three values of balanced current, balanced open start volt, and balanced open diff volt. The max value of the equalizing current can be set to 1A. The mini value of the equalizing opening voltage is 1.5 V, and the mini value of the equalizing opening voltage difference is 10 mV. Balanced opening conditions: 1. Reach the set opening voltage. 2. Reach the set opening voltage difference. Both conditions need to be met at the same time, and balancing will be automatically enabled. Return to the main interface, where you can check whether balancing is turned on and the balancing current. Parallel protection function demonstration. The active balance intelligent BMS integrates a parallel protection function, which can prevent battery packs from being impacted by large currents when connected in parallel and achieve safe battery expansion. Conditions for turning on the parallel protection function: the total voltage reaches to V voltage difference, and charging over current level 2. Offline protection function demonstration. If the sampling line is dropped, the protection board will immediately turn on the drop protection. After normal wiring, the alarm disappears and the BMS resumes normal operation. Wrong wiring protection function demonstration. Simulate a wrong wiring scenario. The third and fifth series are connected reversely. The BMS has a miswiring protection function. After the wrong wiring, voltage collection drop will appear on the app alarm page. Note only supports miswiring protection within 6 strings. After the wrong wiring, the BMS displays voltage acquisition failure and performs offline protection. The BMS enters sleep. When normal wiring is restored, the BMS can resume normal operation.